going to show you how to create a preset in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Lightroom app, and from the gallery we have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After opening the picture and after starting editing, we have to go here in this little button that is represented by two circles overlapping. You have to tap on this, and after we have done some edits to our picture, we can create a preset based on these. We have to tap on this plus icon in the top of the little pop-up, and then select the different edit types that we want to include in our preset. Let's say we want to include all of these, and then tap on save. We can name it also, let's say library preset, and then tap enter, and this preset is saved. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.